The amount of work that goes into building a trail these days is monumental. There's so much that's happening behind the scenes that we don't see. I remember noticing the beginnings of the freeride scene in town, like the first time seeing bikes on a tailgate and crews shuttling and just being like, whoa, that looks like those guys are having a good time.
At the meadow.
Freeriding was originally, I think, people's way of experimenting on bikes and just exploring what's possible on a bike. A lot of that exploration and that challenge and skill has been brought into all of our trail networks, and we have really good trails. And that's something that's really just exploded over the last almost 20 years that I've been here. It's just the amount of sanctioned trails in the area, and kind of feels like the trail fairies are out there in Kamloops strong sometimes, and you come and you're just like, oh, sweet new berm, or hey, this got bench cut, that's great. Trails don't build themselves.
Seeing what an impact a single trail can have on a life, we need to invest in the people that are making that happen. And in the whole process of creating these things that so many people around here have started to love, to put back into it is the way forward.